The Runaway Pancake.
Reading aloud to you, The Runaway Pancake, an Osborne book. There was once a family with 7 children, and they were always hungry.
There was once a family with 7 children, and they were always hungry.
One day
their mother decided to make pancakes for breakfast. I love pancakes. I was starving. I could eat 5 pancakes. I could eat 10. When would they be ready? I could eat 15. I could eat 20.
Mother decided to make pancakes for breakfast. I love pancakes.
Fresh, mixed flour, eggs, and milk.
I'm starving. I can eat 5 pancakes. When will they be ready? I can eat 10. I can eat 15. I can eat 20. First, she mixed flour, eggs, and milk. Then she poured the mix into a pan to cook.
Then she poured the mix into a pan to cook. She tossed the first pancake up in the air and down again. Almost ready now, but the pancake isn't going to be eaten. It jumped right out of the pan and rolled out of the floor. Off the door.
She tossed the first pancake up in the air and down again. Almost ready now. But the pancake didn't want to be eaten. It jumped right out of the pan and rolled out of the door. Stop!
Stop! Cried the mother. Quick! Somebody catch it! Come back! Called the children and they all went running after it. The pancake rolled out of the gate and onto the road, faster and faster.
Stop! Cried the mother. Quick! Somebody catch it! Come back! Called the children. They all went running after it. The pancake rolled out of the gate and onto the road, faster and faster.
The dog was snoozing in his kennel when the pancake rolled past. A pancake. She looked good. Come here and let me taste you.
The dog was snoozing in his kennel when the pancake rolled past. A pancake. You look good. He barked. Come here, let me taste you.
No, said the pancake, and rolled on, with the dog and all the family changing behind.
No, said the pancake, and rolled on, with the dog and all the family chasing behind. A
rabbit in a field saw the pancake rolling past. Well, I've never seen that before. How fast you roll, he said. Can I catch you?
But in a field saw the pancake rolling past. Well, I've never seen that before. How fast you roll, he said. Can I catch you? No,
said the pancake and rolled on, with the rabbit, the dog, and all the family changing behind. He, you can't stop me.
No, said the pancake and rolled on, with the rabbit, the dog, and all the family chasing behind. He, you can't stop me. A
duck on the stream saw the pancake rolling past. A pancake, how tasty! Stop me, the pancake, she called. Just let me try a tiny piece of you.
And the stream saw the pancake rolling past. Pancake, how tasty! Stop, Mr. Pancake, quack, quack, she called. Just let me try a tiny piece of you.
No, 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 said the pancake and rolled on with the duck, the rabbit, the dog, and all the family changing behind, faster and faster.
"Oh no," said the pancake, and rolled on with the duck, the rabbit, the dog, and all the family chasing behind. Faster, faster. A cat in the farmyard saw the pancake roll.
A cat in the farmyard saw the pancake roll past. Is it a game? Stop, wait for me, she called.
Past. "Is it a game? Stop, wait for me," she called. "Catch me."
Catch me if you can't, said the pancake and rolled on with the cat, the duck, the rabbit, the dog, and all the family chasing behind. I'm delicious, but you never catch me.
"If you can," said the pancake, and rolled on with the cat, the duck, the rabbit, the dog, and all the family chasing behind. "I'm delicious, but you'll never catch me." A goat in a meadow saw the pancake roll past.
A goat in the middle saw the pancake roll past. Yummy! What a fine-looking pancake, he said. Do you taste as good as you look?
Yummy! What a fine-looking pancake, he said. "Do you taste as good as you look?"
Of course, said the pancake and rolled on with the goat, the cat, the duck, the rabbit, the dog, and all the family changing behind.
The pancake and rolled on with the goat, the cat, the duck, the rabbit, the dog, and all the family chasing behind. But
you're not tasting me.
You're not tasting me. A fox in some bushes saw the pancake rolling past.
A frog in some bushes saw the pancake rolling past. Oh, Mr. Pancake, he said, why is everyone chasing you? What have you done?
Oh, Mr. Pancake, he said, why is everyone chasing you? What have you done? Can't stop now, said the
pancake, and he hitched a rod on a kite to escape the frog.
Pancake, and it hitched a rod on a kite to escape the fox. It landed
at the edge of the forest. By the forest was a pig in a pen. Now a pig wanted to eat the pancake too, but it was too clever to say so.
At the edge of the forest, by the forest, was a pig in a pen. Now the pig wanted to eat the pancake too, but he was too clever to say so.
What's a hungry Mr. Pancake? He asked. Let me go through the forest with you. It's a dangerous place.
What's the hurry, Mr. Pancake? He asked. Let me walk through the forest with you. It's a dangerous place. The
pancake looked into the forest. Maybe the pig was right. Quickly, he gasped. Don't let them catch me.
Into the forest. Maybe the pig was right. Quickly, he gasped. Don't let them catch me.
What did you say? asked Pig. I said, don't let them catch me, said the pancake.
What did you say? asked the pig. I said, don't let them catch me, shouted the pancake. Who?
Asked the pig. Them, said the pancake. The fox, the goat, the cat, the dog, the rabbit, the dog, and all the family.